And run a minya information be say Kumasi Asante Kotoko European tour no a new club a joining train na Kotoko ne bebo na club no e Saudi Arabia Division 1 club no ye from Qadisiyah na eda screen so no na dates no e when ni nyina no details and wo e wa ha me de bro e wo fie ha Super 24 TV information wo wi ase nya to hope ye de be bro e wo fie ha. We are one of our more results in the Saudi Division 1 League na Albertine the munyina munim ene Qadisiyah for no a boy no almost squad no and that screen so no game no per the makan no for now a agreement letter no and a chance upon and untina me bloggy we amount no agreement letter ni is say on the 26th of July 2024 as part of Kumasi Asante Kotoko Preseason tour ebekoso wo Europe no omo so beba Europe ho nti omo ba Europe a omo ne Kotoko bedi kasubom e field no so on 26th of July, that is per the agreement letter abeto abontina letterhead bibia e sha ase a mahunu anything actually me blog away amount e wo channel we so no na unim say Kumasi Asante Kotoko so far European tour no one Shark Abebo and one Grasshopper FC Grasshoppers and so bebo. And I'm told say before say 26 game never so na Kotoko ne Shark de no ya around 23rd not 26 game a friend no Qadisiyah for the no so abaso na the understanding is that the Qadisiyah game no one have so Holland which is connected in a friend Holland, but we are told is a friend Netherlands. A Honor game no ebeba. So even though say it is subjected to change, Kumasi Asante Kotoko is yet to it's set to be traveling around those European countries like Germany, Switzerland, and Netherlands. And more European than the say European countries, you know, you can always go through trains. That is the friend every coach beats me the akoko. Not just say my boy, and you necessarily say over play now the car. So the latest team I was joining on board to play Kumasi Asante Kotoko in the preseason, you know, Qadisiyah Division 1 Saudi no. Now we are then in cancel. What should this one tell you? Next season Kotoko no be day. The players are more fighting for a place for Kumasi Asante Kotoko no. Training well. And players are Kotoko better for next season. So yeah, Obeka say you are lucky to join. We Europe straight. We wish Krobia all the best. Since I be a buyer, I be update.